Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this used MG3 Exclusive Nav, finished in stylish black and powered by 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 106 PS through manual transmission. It offers affordable running costs with fun and engaging drive. The MG3 stands out with its sporty silhouette, body-colored bumpers and projector halogen headlights supported by LED daytime running lights for visibility, and it sits on 16-inch alloys which not only provide stylish design but also ensure agile handling. At the back, the LED center brake light and body-colored spoiler enhance the sporty look, while rear parking sensors provide reassurance. The MG3 offers practical boot with 60/40 split folding rear seats, allowing flexibility for shopping, luggage or sports kit. Moving inside, the rear passengers benefit from ISOFIX points, adjustable headrest and comfortable 3-seat layout. The simple but effective design ensures everyday comfort. Up front, the sport seats provide support and comfort, while a leather-trimmed steering wheel with integrated audio controls adds a premium feel. Cup holders and handy storage make journeys very practical as well. The leather multifunctional steering wheel gives you easy control over media and cheap computer functions, and ahead of it, clear driver display keeps you updated with essential information. The manual air conditioning with dust and pollen filter helps keep the cabin fresh and cool, and the infotainment system offers 6-speaker system with DAB and various inputs, as well as phone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth pairing and Apple CarPlay, keeping you connected at all times. You also get a setup menu allowing you to personalize your driving experience with configurable options, and an iGo navigation system which ensures you never lose the way, as well as feedback from the reversing camera, offering clear display with dynamic guidance for easier parking. This has been a presentation of the MG3 Exclusive Nav. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.